The 2018-2021 Chevy Equinox has two primary fuse box locations. First, the underhood fuse box is on the passenger side of the engine compartment near the battery. It protects high-power components. To access it, open the hood and remove the plastic cover, usually secured by clips or screws. The interior fuse box is under the driver's side dashboard, accessible from the footwell. It handles lower power circuits. Open the driver's door and pull back the carpet mat or access panel to reveal the fuse box cover. Some models may have an additional fuse panel in the rear cargo area or under the rear seats, particularly in LT or Premier trims. Fuses in the Chevy Equinox are color-coded by amperage. This chart shows the standard color ratings you need to match exactly. To replace a fuse, first turn off the ignition. Identify the blown fuse using a test light or multimeter, or by visually inspecting it for a broken filament inside the glass. Use a fuse puller to remove the blown fuse and insert a new fuse with the exact same amperage rating. Always use OEM fuses to prevent electrical fires and damage. If a fuse blows repeatedly, it indicates an underlying circuit issue, such as a short in the wiring, which requires further diagnosis. Keep a basic kit with a fuse puller, multimeter, and the owner's manual diagram handy for fuse replacements. Remember to consult a professional for persistent electrical problems.